Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
71-degree air temperature, 100% relative humidity. If you don't have fog out there, you've got a haze, no doubt about that, caused by all the moisture that's in the air. Some low-hanging clouds around this morning as well, but the fog is not quite as dense as it was 24 hours ago, thanks to the wind speeds increasing now, south-southwest at about 16 miles per hour. I think as we head into the afternoon and evening period, we'll see those south-southwest wind come up to about 20 with some gusts to 25 and even higher. In thunderstorms, those gusts could be as high as 40, 60 miles per hour. Yep, we got a stormy afternoon coming our way. Some late day storms, in fact. 73 degrees by 9 a.m. Fine weather then. 75 degrees by 12 noon. Probably pretty good weather. 30% chance of showers. Storms will be closing in on us, though, at that hour. And you'll probably notice the clouds kind of darkening just a little bit by 12 noon. By 3 p.m., I think we'll have a first round of showers and thunderstorms beginning to move in to parts of Manatee County and then eventually down through areas of Charlotte County as we head into the afternoon. And by 7 p.m., 80% chance of storms. And by that time, the storms will have actually produced some pretty heavy rainfall in places, and the potential for some severe weather threat will be in existence at that point. In fact, it'll probably start even earlier than 7 p.m., probably somewhere around 4 or 5 o'clock. I think the weather will probably be getting a little bit squirrely. The forecast hour by hour shows those winds coming up out of the south, producing that humid atmosphere. A little bit of fog around the area, but that burns off pretty quickly. Kind of mixes away as well with the wind speeds up. Maybe an isolated shower by noon, but probably not. That'll probably hold off till about 3 o'clock when those showers will be on our doorstep. Some of them kind of heavy with the gusty winds in some of those downdrafts of 40, 50 miles per hour possibly. And certainly it's a day to bring down those porch umbrellas, store those garbage can lids, and get everything kind of secure in case we do get some stronger winds around later on today. And then as we head into the 7 o'clock hour, I think you'll see even more of those stronger storms moving through here, and it'll be a very active drive time home this evening, I suspect. Bob, of course, BM tracking radar very carefully a little bit later on today to see if any of these storms might spin up a tornado. There's a 5% risk of that, or if they'll contain some severe weather with those gusty winds and potentially some hail as well as those storms move past. The good news is that this whole storm system exits the area by, well, certainly by midnight. Skies have cleared out. And as you head into tomorrow morning, it'll be a much sunnier day, but it will have some breezy winds around. We'll have these storms move up toward the Washington, D.C. area now and in through the afternoon, up into New York later on today. If you're traveling to the northeastern corridor over the next 24 hours, could be a slow go. Showers are beginning to build out in Gulf waters, some of them thunderstorms. That's what's headed our way a little bit later in the day. So for boaters, not a good day for boating, especially the second half of the day. Small craft advisories will be up. Seas will turn rough out there during the overnight. And then as we head into the next couple of days, well, of course, today, first alert weather day, particularly between around 3 and 7 o'clock this afternoon and evening particularly. Then tomorrow, sunshine, cooler for a couple of days, in fact. Nighttime lows in the 40s for a day or two, possibly, night or two, possibly. Then as we head into the weekend, we start to warm, and next work week we start off mild in the 80s.